An experience that changed my Luis Miguel Otero Cruz. Introduction: Technology in Civil Work (UPTC). The beginning of my journey. The beginning of my journey when I was 10 years old. In 2024, I decided to enroll in UPTC to study technology in civil works. At the beginning, I felt very nervous because I was not sure if I really wanted to do it or felt ready for this new class. A moment of gratitude and joy. A moment of uncertainty and joy. The first time I checked an admission realized I did not is my name and I felt disappointed and awe. However, when I checked again, I realized that I hadn't been expected and felt very excited and happy. The people who super me. The people who super me during this process, my family and my girl have support my a lot. The support has been very important for me because they have motivated me to continue and believe in myself. Change and personal growth. Since I started this program, my youth of seeking has children, I have learned many new things and I have become more organized use my time. This experience has helped my growth as a person and as a student. Looking at the present and the future. Now I feel very calm and satisfaction with my decision. Starting technology in civil works has been out of the best decision of my life and is something that I always again and again.